Welcome to our video on finding articles in the JSTOR database. We will begin at the UA-Pulaski Technical College Ottenheimer Library's homepage, located at uaptc.edu/library. JSTOR is a database of articles from humanities, sciences, and social science sources. It is a good database to use for history, anthropology, philosophy, and other courses in the arts and sciences. To search directly in the JSTOR database, do not use the general search box on the library website. Instead, click on the Databases button for a list of our databases. On this screen, you will see an alphabetical list of databases. We can either scroll down to JSTOR or click on the J to jump to the databases with names that start with J. Click on the database name JSTOR. You will need to log in using your UA-PTC portal username and password if you are off campus. You can now see JSTOR's basic search screen. Let's say we are working on a research paper on Shirley Chisholm, the first African-American woman elected to the U.S. Congress and the first to run for the presidential nomination of a major political party. Type her name into the search box and click the search button. We have more than 1,000 articles. To reduce the number of articles and focus our search, we can use the options under Refine Results on the left side of the screen. The first option we see is the Search Within Results box. We can use this box to add a related subtopic to our search for articles on Shirley Chisholm. This will allow us to focus our articles to a distinct area of Ms. Chisholm's career and reduce the number of articles we have to search through. Shirley Chisholm sought the Democratic presidential nomination. So let's add Democratic nomination to the Search Within Results box and click the search button. Using the Search Within Results box reduced the number of articles to 164. Keep in mind that these articles focus on Shirley Chisholm and the Democratic nomination. If we had wanted to focus on her service in Congress or her work with the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, we could have used one of those terms in the Search Within Results box and retrieved a very different list of articles. If your instructor requires you to use only scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, you can check the Journals box under Academic Content. Notice that this will reduce the results list to just those types of sources. Search results are displayed in order of relevance. If you choose to, you can change the order to newest or oldest articles here. For each citation, the article title is given first, followed by the authors and publication information. To view the full text of any article, click the Download PDF button. The first time you access the full text, you may be prompted to accept JSTOR's terms and conditions. The PDF full text will open in its own browser tab. The PDF begins with a cover sheet containing the article's citation information as the first page. The article begins after the cover page. To save or print a copy of the article, select the appropriate button from the top right corner of the screen. Once you are finished with this view, click on the X on the Browsers tab to return to your JSTOR search results list. The Cite this item button will generate a citation in 3 different formats. Click the Copy button to copy the citation for your references page. These automatically generated citations should be fairly accurate, but always compare them to your instructor's citation format guidelines to make sure they are correct before using them in your paper. This concludes our tutorial on JSTOR. Please contact UA-PTC Libraries if you have any questions.